Now let's learn how to introduce yourself in French. To say your name, the French language uses a special reflexive verb that literally means to call oneself. When you introduce yourself, you are literally saying, I call myself, followed by your name. This verb changes depending on who is speaking. Here's how it works in the present tense. I call myself. You call yourself. He or she calls himself or herself. We call ourselves. You call yourself when speaking formally or to more than one person. They call themselves for a group of people. So when you meet someone, you can use this structure to say your name and to ask for the other person's name. For example, you might say, My name is, and then ask, What's your name? This is one of the first and most useful expressions you'll learn because it helps you start a conversation in French and make connections with people right away.
Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. On s'appelle. Nous nous appelons. Vous vous appelez. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle.
Now, let's practice how the small reflexive words sound in French. They are very short and often linked directly to the verb that follows. Listen carefully and repeat after me.
Me. Te. Se. Nous. Vous. Se. Exemple. 1. Je m'appelle Paul. 2. Comment tu t'appelles? 3. Il s'appelle Pierre. Exemple. Je m'appelle Paul. Tu t'appelles Marie. Il s'appelle Pierre et elle s'appelle Sophie. Nous sommes amis et nous avons 15 ans. Vous êtes nos professeurs de français. Ils sont très gentils et elles sont contentes aujourd'hui. On va à l'école chaque matin et on vient à pied. Exemple. Je me lève. Tu te réveilles. Il se lave. Elle se lève. On s'habille vite. Nous nous amusons. Vous vous habillez. Il se repose. Elle se repose.
Now let's learn how reflexive verbs are formed in French. These verbs always include a small reflexive pronoun that matches the subject of the sentence. The structure is subject plus reflexive pronoun plus verb conjugated. This means the reflexive pronoun comes right before the verb. For example, in English, you might say, I call myself, or you wash yourself. In French, it follows the same pattern. I plus myself plus call. You plus yourself plus get dressed. Important rule. When the verb begins with a vowel or a silent H, the reflexive pronouns change to M apostrophe, T apostrophe, S apostrophe, etc. So the sounds connect smoothly when you speak. Let's practice the pronunciation of reflexive verbs. When the verb begins with a vowel or a silent H, the reflexive pronoun shortens. It drops the final E and adds an apostrophe, so the two sounds connect smoothly. Step 1. Linking sounds. English guidance plus phonetic help.
M'appelle. T'habille. S'appelle.
Step 2. Full phrases with meaning in English. Listen and repeat each sentence slowly.
1. Je m'appelle Marie. 2. Tu t'habilles le matin. 3. Il s'appelle Paul. 4. Elle s'appelle Anna. Je me brosse les dents. Elle se douche. Je me fâche. Il se sent mal. Nous nous parlons. Il se regarde. Je m'appelle Marie. Tu te réveilles à 7 heures. Il se couche tôt. Nous nous amusons en classe. Vous vous levez à quelle heure? Elle se maquille.